So we do the visual inspection. Let's just pretend like she just came in and we already did an interview. We did the visual inspection. You can see this buccal parulus right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we know, so we got, what's the, and let's just say, so we're gonna look at all the teeth. We see in around 3. I'm gonna tap. First I'm gonna tap. Do you feel any pain there? Okay, how about here? Do you feel any pain? Yeah. Is it a lot? Or just a little bit? Yeah. 3+ on 3. 2's normal. 3, 4. Is that okay? And then look, I'm probably not going to test 5. I'm just going to go 2, 3, 4. You kind of have a sense of what's going on, but you don't want to be tricked by this part of this. You want to make sure it is coming from 3, not from 2. The mesiobuccal root. Sometimes you can see that. Okay, so then I flip over, and it's kind of hard to do this off that, but let's see here. There we go. And then I'm going to check mobility. You know, on this case, I'm not too worried about like anything. The probing would be important to check though, right? Yeah. On this tooth, just to see what's going on. Okay, let's see here. And then what we could do is number. See, there's a little bit of. See that? You okay, sweetie? Okay. See the deep mid buccal probing right there. It's like a 7 or 8 on that. So we have to kind of keep an eye on that. Hopefully, we got to make sure that this sinus tract eventually resolves. And it takes about a week to 2 weeks for this to start resolving. Okay, now, I check the probing. We mark down as 8, do a 7 on the mid buccal. Let's do bite stick. Go ahead and bite down for me. And then I torque. See this cuss tip? I kind of open. Does that hurt at all? No. And then I'm going to go ahead and bite for me. Good. Open. Bite down and kind of torque it like this a little bit. Does that hurt? Yeah, okay. How about bite down? Is that okay there? Okay, good. Open. Bite down. How's that? Good. Bite down. Good. Open. And bite down. Excellent. Okay, that's fine. So I kind of tested those 3 teeth. Now what would be the last thing we want to do? Okay? What's the last thing we want to do now on this cold? Now we expect 3 to be necrotic, right? Infected. But what if, you know, worst case scenario, she had something different, something worse going on, and we want to. I always check vitality on the tooth. Like even if there's a big sinus tract there, I spray. Okay, let's see if we can see it. I'm going to check here. Tell me if you feel anything, okay? Around the buccal. You alright? Do you feel anything? Great. Sometimes I'll do this, like this. You feel that? Yeah. Feel this? Yeah, so she, just to say, okay, they're all alive. So her normal. So yeah. So her, you can see the baseline there. She's pretty normal on cold response.